Hi, can everyone hear me? Awesome. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon, and thanks for joining this session. My name is Adi. I'm the Chief of Staff, and I lead go-to-market and customer success at Wondercraft. Wondercraft is one of the leading AI video platforms for real business use cases. I work with a lot of L&D teams, hundreds of L&D teams, and they tell me about the problems that they face on a daily basis. And it all comes around the same kind of themes. The business wants more content, but the team is more stretched. There's not enough budget, there's not enough time and resources to deliver what you need to do. And this is a real capacity problem, right? There are some great AI tools out there that can help you with this, but it doesn't really solve the root cause of the problem. You're still the one building, editing, repurposing, refreshing, training content on these timeline editors, and that takes a lot of time. What if there was another way? Today, I want to show you how you can use AI agents to build and edit training videos from scratch, and just chatting with an AI agent to do this, rather than building it yourself on a timeline editor. So if you're creating videos as part of your training program today, you know how tough it can be. It's expensive to create videos. It's quite challenging as well. There's a lot of stakeholder management involved. You've got to work with video editors, videographers. You've got to work with getting the right people in the room to do the filming, and it just takes a lot of time and effort and money if you're outsourcing that to agencies. And even if you are using AI tools, there's still a lot of work to be done in constructing all of those videos on a timeline, piecing things together, editing once you've started something. It takes a lot of time and takes a lot of effort, not the least the time investment required to learn a new tool and a new timeline editor. And all of this in the face of tighter budgets, tighter timelines, and smaller L&D teams is just tough. So that's why we introduced Wonda, and I'm really excited to show you guys what it looks like today. It's essentially an AI agent that we've built that can create and edit entire training videos for you just by chatting to it. So you can just talk to it like you would talk to ChatGPT in plain English and ask it to create a video. It would basically give you a storyboard of what your video could look like. Once you approve, it just builds the whole video for you. So there's no more editing, there's no more relying on video editor teams, and you can just get a pretty quick prototype of your first draft in minutes. And Wonda is not just a video builder, it's also an editor. So if you've got your own footage, your own images, your own content that you just want to repurpose, for example, if you've got some training videos and you just want to translate that to a few different languages, you can just ask our agent to do that for you, and it will do it in minutes. And Wonda also lives on top of pretty standard video and audio editing editor, so it's able to access all of the same timeline controls, such as playback speed, translations, voice editing, script editing, and it can do all of that for you. And it also accesses all of the best AI models. So you've got the best video generation models like VO, or Kling, or ByteDance, and also some of the best avatar models, and it can pull all of those things together for you and place it in your video. I'd love to show you what this actually looks like in practice, in principle. We did want to do a live demo, but the Wi-Fi here just wasn't good enough to do that. But I do have some pre-recorded videos that I can talk through, just so you can get a sense of how this AI agent works and how the platform looks like. So let me just share the right screen. Awesome. So this is our homepage. It's quite simple. It's quite a standard view that you would expect. You've got the prompt box in the middle, kind of like ChatGPT. And you don't have to worry about building on a timeline just yet. You can get started simply by just describing first what kind of video you even want to make. So let's say, for example, we're creating an animated video about leadership development at the NHS. You can then also upload your own attachments. So you could upload PDFs, PowerPoints, Word documents, images, or even your raw footage, and just ask the agent to create the video and edit the video for you. Once you've done that, you can also ask it to first show you a storyboard of the video before it actually generates anything. And the reason for doing this is video generation is just expensive. You may have used some other AI video tools out there, and you know that it can cost quite a lot in terms of consuming credits. So we like to first show you a storyboard where you can go back and forth with the agents and really be happy with what your video would look like before you actually generate it. So that's how it works. You would just start, yep, and then it enters this sort of collaborative chatting experience where the agent might ask you some questions like what kind of video do you want to make if it's unclear. It might also ask you to use one of the templates that we have. So we have quite a few different templates that you could use. Let me just skip ahead. Yeah, so there you go. So it's asking us if we want to use one of these templates. I think I chose the hand-drawn illustration explainer, which is quite cool. It's like a whiteboard style template. And then it's going to start building the storyboard for you. So this is what it would look like, a sort of scene-by-scene breakdown. And you can even edit just by chatting to the agent. So you could ask it to change something, extend the video, maybe play around with the concept of the video before you actually generate it. So in this case, I'm going to ask it to maybe add another scene explaining the difference in training for clinical versus admin staff. Okay. And then it's going to iterate on that and create an additional scene or edit one of the scenes so that your storyboard now reflects what you want to make. Cool. So you can see it's added another scene to specifically talk about that part of the video. And then once you're happy with the video, you just click approve on the top right, and it would then start building the video for you automatically. So you can see we have a timeline-based editor. On the bottom, you've got the timeline, which is a drag and drop interface. In the middle, you've got the canvas, and then you've got a bunch of media tabs on the left. So for example, if you were not happy with some of the videos that it made, or you just want to play around and generate some scenes yourself, you can just click on any of these media tabs, such as video, click generate, and then you can start to create your own scenes to add to the videos. And it's the same exact thing with avatars, images, music, speech. There's quite a lot of functionality there to basically add more features and media to the video. And voices as well. We have quite a long list of voices, and you can kind of filter by different languages. We have over 25 different languages, so you can try and pick the one that works best, or if you want to translate to a different language. Cool. And so essentially, you could just start a blank new project and build all of this from scratch yourself, and that's what a lot of the other AI tools out there are providing, this interface and the ability for you to create the video. But Wonda sits on top of all of these elements and is able to basically do it for you. It just does the first draft for you, and it will spit it out, and it takes around 3 to 5 minutes to do something like this. If I show you an example, so this is what it would have done.
Shaping an NHS organizational culture.
Let me just start over. This is what it would have done for the prompt that we gave it. So the animated training video about leadership development in the NHS. This is how it would actually spit out the video. So you can see it's done quite a lot of work for us on the timeline. It's all of these elements, the music, the script, the text, and all of the images. It's generated and put it on the timeline for us. You can see the script and you can edit it as much as you like. So you can change any of the words, you can change the voice, and then you can also edit on the video canvas.
Leadership is one of the most influential factors in shaping an NHS organizational culture, and it directly impacts patient care, staff well-being, and service quality. The Clinical Leadership Competency Framework identifies 5 domains every NHS clinician should develop, from demonstrating personal qualities to setting strategic.
Yeah, and then you can also edit this now. So let's say you're not quite happy with the first draft, or there's a few edits you want to make. You can do that just by chatting to the AI agent, right? So let's say on the first slide we want to change one of the titles, make it a bit more personal. So we're saying it should be your leadership development at the NHS. Just ask the AI agent to do it like you're talking to ChatGPT, and it will make the edit for you. You don't have to bother making edits on the timeline. And there you go. You can also edit like any of the images that it's made, so any of the generative content, you can just ask it to edit it. You can give any kind of instruction, like simplify the image or change the image, add some color, whatever you want, and you can also edit the script as much as you like. Cool. You can also change the voices. I mean, there's quite a lot of controls. I won't go through each one of them one by one. This is just an example of the hand-drawn illustration style template, but there's quite a lot of templates you can use. So if I go back to the home page, and I scroll down, you can see that there's a few different options here. There's something where you can have a more realistic look with AI avatars. You can also do something where you take your PowerPoint and you upload that and turn that into a video with motion graphics and your graphs, and basically just turning your PowerPoint into life. And then there's also other kinds of videos, like a video ad, if, for something more similar to marketing. So let's try another example, maybe something a bit more lifelike. So let's say it's a safety training video for McLaren Construction. We want it to be like a PowerPoint-style slide, and we want an AI avatar, a realistic AI avatar. And we can also do things like, here's a PDF, or here's an article from the website, and I also want you to extract the brand kit. So simply by adding your website or by uploading your brand guidelines, the AI agent can learn how to create videos in your branding. So it'll extract your logo, your colors, your fonts, and also your tone of voice to try and make it sound like your company's style. Same kind of thing, it's going to ask us a few more questions, and then it's going to give us a storyboard before it generates the video for us. I'm just going to show you what that then looks like. Let's skip ahead. So yeah, and this is what it looks like. You can see it's done a lot of work for us. I'm just going to play it for you.
Welcome, and thank you for being here. At McLaren Construction, our guiding principle is simple: work safe, home safe. Every project we deliver is built on a foundation of care. Care for our people, our teams, and the communities around us. Now together, safety is not just a rule. It is a value we hold as a team. The deadline is ever more important than the well-being of our people. This is our shared commitment. Reporting is one of the most positive actions you can take on site. When something goes wrong, or even nearly goes wrong, telling your supervisor helps us prevent the same thing from happening again.
Yeah, and that's an example of an AI avatar as well. So you could use one of the library AI avatars that we have, or you can create your own AI avatar as well, simply by uploading an image. I'll show you an example of how that works. So another way to get started, by the way, is just going from scratch. And then you can create your avatar. Just click on avatars, create a new avatar, upload an image. You don't have to upload a video. It can just be done by an image. And then give it some details, like name the avatar, fill in some more information about it. And then what's really cool is you can pair it with any voice. So you can pair it with any of the library voices we have here, or you can clone your own voice, or clone the voice of an executive or whoever that you're trying to create an avatar of, simply by uploading a recording of their audio. In this case, we'll probably just give it one of the library voices. Finley, OK. And then once that's saved, it'll appear in your library, and you can continue to use that. You just give it a script. You can also change the voice if you didn't like the sound of Finley. If you want to use it, you're not tied to that voice, so you can pair different voices with the avatar, and then you just generate it to see what it sounds like.
Hi there, my name is Peter.
Awesome, cool. So that's a little snapshot, like a mini demo of what you can do with Wonda on Wondercraft. And quite a lot of L&D teams and AI-first L&D teams are already using Wonda and Wondercraft to good use. So we're working with over 3,500 customers. Some of the world's biggest brands like Spotify, Amazon, the World Bank, Databricks, BCG, Canon are using Wonda today. And they're really seeing a lot of time saving and a lot of unblocking of their team's capacity to really focus on the high-level thinking rather than production and video editing. Great. I'll pause for Q&A if there's any questions in a second, but we are just over there on booth J60, just down over here on the right. So stop by if you want to check it out in more detail. If you want to schedule a chat and get a demo with me, you can just scan the QR code and we can arrange a quick meeting. Awesome. Thank you so much for listening.